Hello and welcome to this Selenium recipe. In this video, I want to show you how you can write data in a file. This is not really something specific to Selenium. It's more of a Java implementation of how to write data into files. But what we're going to do is going to go through the steps that are required in order to, for example, read all the links on this page and write them into an Excel file. In order to keep this video not too long and to go in a step-by-step manner, I'm going to actually go through the code and not write the code. I must confess, it took me also some time until I did the correct formatting for the code. That's why now it looks good and I wanted to present to you this way. Please be patient with me. I promise you will get a really nice video again with some thinking in a few sessions. So let's go to our IntelliJ. The first thing which I have done, and you will find it in the repository, is in the POM.xml, I have added two dependencies, Apache POI and POI OOXML. These two have been added here as dependencies. So when you copy or when you have a look at the GitHub repository, you will have them there. And you can just copy the POM.xml and update Maven, and then you will have everything you need to run this test. The second thing is I created an Excel file. This one now contains the links because I have run the test, and it seems to be actually empty, but it's really not that empty. The thing is, the way I wrote the code, in this way you need to make sure that you have actually data in the rows before running the test. So in order to do that, I basically just added a space, and it's okay for DXL then. I know it's a workaround, but well, as long as it works, right, and as long as we know it, it shouldn't harm us. The important thing is for you to understand how you can write data into this file. Okay, so I'm going to save this now. It's empty. And let's see our test. So at the beginning, it's like a normal test. It just extends our base class, which means it will navigate to this base URL. Yeah. And then it's a little bit different. So the first thing is it gets all of the links that we have in the page. And what does it do then? It looks for this Excel file, and then it basically creates from the Excel file another, let's say, well, it actually reads the file, yeah, and creates an instance of that file for us. And afterwards, it opens the first, let me just write it here, opens the first Excel sheet, yeah, okay, and this one we don't need because we don't have any empty rows. It was just there for debugging purposes. And then we have a for loop, which actually does our writing for us. And what it does is loops through all of through our list, yeah. And for each of the loopings, it takes the text that we have there, and it will write it in column number 0. Column number 0 is the first column, and row number starts with 0 and until the end of the list. And it puts there the value. And in the end, it, like I said, it writes it and it basically creates a whole new file with the same name and puts it in the same place. Okay, let's just run this and see if it did what we wanted it to do. Okay, let's open now our Excel recipe. We have here 14 links to complete, being the first, and complete web form being the last. Perfect. So as you can see, it actually did what we wanted it to do. If you have really any questions regarding this, do not hesitate to ask. Like I said, this is not extra specific, or it's not really specific to Selenium. It's just how to write data into files, or in this case into Excels with Java. And I did this because I plan to take this video and a couple other videos which I did in the last time and combine them together, or combine the topics together, to do some web scraping. Sounds interesting, right? I hope you'll tune in, and I thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.